Hello, student. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. Today I'm going to go over Tools for Success Credit 3. Now, this packet's going to be a little bit different than your other packets. Um, for example, you're not going to work on this packet. It's just uploaded so that I know what credit you worked on. But instead, you're going to click on this video link right here. Here you saw the video. This is the video that you just saw, but this is the actual link you're going to work on. So you click on this link and you click next. What you're going to do, you're going to take this interest profile test. This test right here, it helps you, it matches your personality and your interests with a career out there. And as you read the questions, you'll either answer strongly dislike, unsure, like, or strongly like. There are 60 questions. It's pretty easy. It's a simple, dislike, you strongly dislike, unsure, like, and strongly like. And you just go ahead and you answer them all the way through. And then once you'll get your results. It's going to give you a list of job zones, and it's also going to ask you here on job zones and careers. It will ask you your interest level of education. For example, I had one student. He scored highly in the medical field, and he at that time he just planned on getting his high school diploma, and what he ended up getting was ambulance driver. And then he ended up putting what will his job suggestions be if he got a 2-year degree and he got certified nursing assistant. Well, after he got that, he went back in here and he put in a bachelor's degree and he got a nurse, and he's currently working on his nursing degree. So as you just fill this out and you'll enter the type of education, how far you want to go, and it gives you a list of jobs. Now, for your actual assignment, what you're going to do, I want you to write me 3 paragraphs on the job that you chose or career path. Maybe you chose more than one. You can be about what it was like about taking this test. It can be on how far you plan on going with your education. Look into the job that you chose, like how much, why do you want to do that job? How much do you think you'll make? Things like that. How much you think it'll take you to prepare? Um, that's it. Just create a Google Doc and submit your assignment. That's it for now. Take care, guys. Bye.